Hey guys, it's your girl kinkyfrolisa. Welcome to my channel and to this video. If you're new to this channel, you're so welcome, and to my old subscribers, hey thanks for coming back. So today we're gonna be learning about refined and unrefined oils, and if these two oils can be used on natural hair. I did a little research into these two types of oils, and then I decided to share my findings about these oils. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna be showing you how you can use both type of oils on your hair as well. So let's get right into the video. Now, to get started, we first have to know what refined and unrefined oils are. So unrefined oils are usually cold pressed or expeller pressed oil, which means they are minimally processed using mechanical extraction under low temperature conditions, and they are also referred to as either virgin or extra virgin or whatever. Now, refined oils on the other hand have gone through extra processing beyond the crude extraction, such as temperature treatments, solvent treatments for deodorization and bleaching to fade the color and remove other scents and undesired elements from the oils, which makes them a bit different from the unrefined oils. Now, according to a research study, refining oils does not have any effect on the fatty acid composition of the oils. This means that the fatty acid composition of an unrefined sunflower oil is going to be the same as the fatty acid composition of the refined sunflower oil. The only difference is that the properties such as the color, the nutrient level, and the flavor or the smell will change. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, moving on to the characteristics of unrefined oils. These oils are usually high quality oils and most desired because they are less processed. They are also rich in nutrients like antioxidants and all that. They usually retain their flavor and color, so you can smell coconut oil and all that. They are really more prone to going to rancid in a short period of time, and they are also expensive, like you all know that. Now, for the refined oils, they have little or no nutrients at all. They have great emollients because they're usually ideal to be used in products formulations. They are way less expensive to the refined versions. They also have a longer shelf life, but as a result of the extra processing, they lose their flavor and color. And yeah, so the most common unrefined oils we have include coconut oil, olive oil, palm kernel oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, other essential oils, and others that I haven't mentioned here. Now, to the refined versions, we have usually sunflower oil, corn oil, soybean oil, canola oil, palm olein, and there are many other refined oils as well. Now, the unrefined oils that I mentioned have refined versions on the market, so you can find a refined version of the coconut oils and other oils. So whenever you purchase in a product, just read the label to know if you are really buying a refined oil or unrefined oil, because manufacturers usually put that on the labels. So our question of the day is, does refined oil work well on natural hair the same way as unrefined oils do? Well, the answer is not really, because refined oils are less rich in natural active compounds, and when used alone will provide less benefits to unrefined oils. However, when refined oils are infused in herbs and Ayurvedic powders, they become more potent and work amazingly on natural hair. So the next question is on how you can use refined oils on natural hair. Now, these oils can be used as emollients, that is to make your own product, and because they are less expensive, it is advisable to use them in the oil phase when you are making your own product. Now, these oils can also be made more potent by infusing Ayurvedic powders or herbs to help grow and strengthen natural hair. So a third question is, how can both refined and unrefined oils be used on natural hair? Well, these oils can be mixed together and used as pre-poo treatments, hot oil treatments, scalp massages, added to hair masks or deep conditioners. And these are what I usually use my refined oils for. So let me share with you the recipe for a herbal hair growth oil that I made with both refined and unrefined oils. Now in the ingredients, I used sunflower and palm oil as the refined oils, and then I use palm kernel oil and black castor oil as the unrefined oils. Then I went ahead to add my herbs. Now you can use any refined oil or unrefined oils as well, but these are the selected ones that I used, and I decided to infuse the herbs into the oils. I used the double boiler method, and I would share the video on how I prepared this in my next video, so do check that out next week. And this infused oil is great for everything. You can use it for a hot oil treatment as well. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was really helpful. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel. So which of these oils do you use on your hair often? Do you use the refined versions or the unrefined versions? Do let me know in the comment section below. I would also be uploading the herbal hair oil that I just showed to you in this video. I will be uploading the full video on this channel as well, so you can definitely come back and check it out next week. So I think that will be it. Thank you so much again for watching. I love you guys so much. You can also check out on my other videos. I think I'll place them somewhere here so that you watch them. Thank you so much again. I would see you in my next video, and that would be next week. Bye.